Hello munchers, welcome back to my channel. This week it's all about the meal prep. Welcome back to my channel. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And also feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions, make suggestions, or share a recipe of your own. So the star of this weekly prep meal is going to be the salmon. I originally wanted to do like a braided salmon that was stuffed. I saw that on TikTok, but it wasn't working. So I just went ahead and just cut them into strips, which is better because now I'm able to portion out my protein for the week. I went ahead and washed and seasoned. I used some adobo sazonador total. I used some sazon. I've also used some Weber's Kickin' Chicken. I also used some poultry seasoning and Creole seasoning, and then I drizzled some EVOO. I gave everything a quick toss to make sure that all of the salmon was completely covered. Okay, so let me tell you that these grocery stores are extremely pricey. I wanted to stuff the salmon with some crab meat, but the crabs were very expensive, and then the lump crabs that were inside of a can were even more expensive. They were like from $35 to $40 something. So what I did is I picked up this crab cake, which I've had before, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna break it up and put it on top of the salmon because I had to be practical and be on a budget. And so that's what I did. And I'm happy I did because honestly, it tastes amazing. So once you break up the crab, you're gonna get some garlic butter, any brand. I'm using the store brand to save a penny here and there because like I said, groceries are expensive. And I am gonna use my spoon to shave off some of the butter and just put it on top so that when I cook my salmon, the butter is gonna melt right on top of the crab cake, as well as just allow it to just go all over the salmon at the bottom as well. If I didn't mention it before, make sure to preheat your oven to 375, and you are going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes. You want to make sure that your salmon is thoroughly cooked. And here's a quick demo on how just to shave the butter. It's something simple. You don't need any extra gadgets, just a spoon, scraping it lightly. You don't want to over butter it. You don't want it to be too buttery, but just enough so that it can have the garlicky herb taste. Next, let's prepare our sides. So it's all about the shortcut. If you are a busy mom, busy dad, and you're just looking for something simple but yet nutritional, I would suggest getting some veggies. You can buy the fresh veggies, frozen veggies. So I just went ahead and got them already pre-cut, and something that's easier for me. So I am going to steam this side of veggies. I'm going to use the Lipton Secrets onion to kind of like give it its flavor. Of course, I washed my vegetables, and then I set that to the side to steam it. Now I'm going to make mashed potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and make the red potatoes because I love them with the skin on, with the mash. It is so delicious. So I'm going to cut these up and I am going to boil them, but I'm also going to take some of these potatoes and I'm going to roast them along with some Brussels sprouts and some asparagus and carrots and possibly some green beans as well. The green beans, I will definitely cut them in half so they can be smaller, but I'm going to start with prepping the Brussels sprouts. I mean, I decided that taking my lunch and prepping my meals is so much better. I've been buying a lot of food outside, for lunch, And honestly, it's getting pricey. The cost of food is really skyrocketing. And honestly, they don't give you enough for the amount that they charge. And on top of that, it doesn't make me feel good after. So I really want to be disciplined in this area and preparing my own meals. So hopefully, if time allows, because my schedule is jam-packed, and now with my grandbaby here, every little chance that I get, I'm, spending time with her. But this is one area that I definitely want to dedicate a little bit and carve out some time so that I can prep my meals, at least for lunch. That way I don't have to be buying all of this outside fast food and deli food, and just kind of know what's inside of my food. And at the same time, I am also saving some cash. Also, I really want to take a break from eating a lot of outside food. Again, the saying, you are what you eat, rings so true. What you put in your body will affect how you feel, will affect your weight, will affect your thinking. It can just wreak havoc. So I want to feel better. I don't want to feel foggy. And so I want to eat a little cleaner than what I was eating. So here I'm preparing my mixed veggies, and this is going to be my roasted veggies. So again, I am seasoning them with the Lipton Secrets because I love the taste that it gives the vegetables. So I'm going to put these in the oven, and I'm going to let them roast for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then here are my asparagus spears. I am also going to lightly drizzle some EVOO and the remaining seasoning of the Lipton Secrets, and they will also be roasted in the oven as well. Do you meal prep? What type of meals do you prep for throughout the week? Do you concentrate more on breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or do you do all three? Normally I am going to discipline myself in the lunch area, and then hopefully I will do it for dinner as well. And here is my salmon. This salmon it was delicious. I'm not gonna lie. I went ahead and I also chopped up some cilantro and I sprinkled it on top, so that it can give it that, taste, because I really do love cilantro. But look how beautiful are these pieces of salmon. So from this portion, I was able to get 4 meals for lunch and 2 servings for dinner, one for me and one for my daughter. Here are my prepping bowls. So I am going to go ahead and place 1 piece of salmon. I'm going to have a piece of salmon with steamed vegetables, another one with the roasted vegetables, one with just asparagus, and the other will be with the roasted veggies. And so this is my meal. I'm so glad my meals, sorry, it's plural, for the week. I'm excited that I was able to do this. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can stay alerted to whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much for following me. And here is my meals up close and personal. Let me know your thoughts. Share some recipes. And if you want to see me cook something, feel free to throw down some suggestions as well. That is all for now. Thank you once again, and I will catch you later throughout this week. Enjoy your week and catch you in the next video. Bye.